To publish your journal article in the repository of open access research, visit the Collier Library's website at una.edu/library and click Helpful Links. Then select Repository of Open Access Research under Discover. Once you have reached the repository's homepage, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Before publishing the work in the repository, make sure that you own the copyright or have the rights to deposit the work into the repository. If you have any questions about your rights to the particular work, reach out to Jennifer Pate at the Collier Library. Once in your dashboard, click Add New Work. Select Journal or Article Submission under the Admin set, then scroll down and click Article as your item type. Click Create Work. If your work already has a DOI, you can include that here and click Fetch Metadata. This will pull all relevant metadata from that article into the following form. Otherwise, scroll down and begin filling key descriptions of your work, starting with the title, the resource type, the creator name type, your last name, your first name, your institution. If you have an ORCID ID, include that here. Your creator institutional email address. Select your institutional relationship as represented by your position in the institution. Then select the appropriate creator role in which you participated in this work. If you were an author of the work, select Author. Provide an alternative email address. Include the abstract of the work as well as relevant keywords. Identify the subject in which the work was published. Select the year, the month, and the day that the work was published. Include the journal title, and include the DOI URL if relevant to this work. Additional fields allows you to provide additional information to describe your work, including the alternative journal title, the volume number or the issue number, page numbers, a link to the full text, the publisher name, the place in which the work was published, and a bibliographic citation of the work, any relevant funding information associated with the work, the applicable licensing agreement, the date accepted or submitted, whether the article was peer-reviewed, and any additional notes to describe the work. Once you have completed all descriptions of the work, select Files. Here you can upload one or more files associated with the work. Once you have uploaded all files, select the visibility of each individual file, then review the information on the right side of the dashboard. This section denotes anything still required to publish your work, as well as the visibility of the work. Select the visibility, then scroll down and review the deposit agreement. The repository deposit agreement provides you information on the visibility and licensing of your work. Make sure to review the deposit agreement in full before publishing your work in the repository. Once you have reviewed the deposit agreement, click I have read and agree to the deposit agreement, then select Save. Once the repository admin has reviewed and verified your rights to publish the work in the repository, they will place the article within the appropriate collection related to your college and department. If the repository admin has any questions about your copyright in relation to this work, Jennifer Pate will contact you directly.